The panel. Here you go. Pop the panel. Take this one out. It seems like they didn't put. Seems like Dodge didn't put two. I just popped this out. I didn't break anything. And it seems like Dodge. There's nothing in here. Nothing fell. It did. I don't see anything. But nothing fell off, so yeah. Let's see. Put this in. We got this one. This is the red one. Thank you. Okay. And this one came with 4 or 5. So just flipping leather. I didn't record when it was on there, but I should have recorded. Yeah. But I'm gonna do the rest of the panel. Got the rest of the pieces. So alright, the bottom. Taking it off the Hellcat. Placing this. Brake nuts. You gotta come to that side. Go this way a little bit. Show you guys on that side here.
There's one on the bottom.
Yeah, no. I guess I'm trying to get the corner. That's how it is. So we got that one up there. Yeah, we'll try to get this out. Okay.
What is it doing?
Here we go. Ship on any small on this. Shit, man, close. Alright, so we're taking this out. Snap it out. This piece out.
Something maybe?
First of all, let's take this out just in case.
Yeah, why wouldn't you just pull that off? Oh, you have to.
Because I figured I could.
Oh.
Mira mi Hermie.
Rob, pass me this red.
Mira mi Hermie. Just like this. Yeah, so this shit got pushed through here. I have to push through it.
And the top. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Straight.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, you gotta get closer.
Wow.
Wow, he wasn't kidding.
Oh shit, watch out.
I thought he was joking when he said
Alright. Snap this. Everyone likes that feeling of the snap. Okay, here we go. Here you go. It's good now. Right? Oh, snap. Compared to the way it was before, it was simple. Simple to do. Everything's good. Now I'm gonna change this piece. So there's only 2 screws here on this panel that I ordered to put it in, and on this panel, the original panel, seems like it has a lot more screws going in. Like, so for instance, you see these little gaps right here? They actually have holes in it where they put more screws in on the side. And on this one, I had to take it all off on the side here. See, all these screws I had to take off. But what's crazy is that it's so simple to put. It just slides. Look how it just slides right in. It's supposed to slide right in, but it's just these 2 screws that are on the corner that are blocked. Otherwise, we would have had it all out. But then there's another issue with what I have to take out. We have to take out the shifter. So taking out the shifter will probably be a little problem for me. So I'm just gonna let them do it.
One of the workers, that was a person.
No, I know. Alright, here we go. We in here, boys. I just want to show in the Hellcat what you got to take off in your car to do all this work. See, so on the Hellcat, so you got to take all this off. Everything. Said in the old model you don't have to do that, but on this one you have to take everything off. I got more clips like this. If these broke, I got some more.
Okay.
Put back, yeah, it like if you look at the other one, I put tons of them. Oh, the ones that go under here is the one that go back.
Here we go. We're gonna get a reveal.
No, you still won't see it. He has to pick up this piece for it to see. Has way more screws here. The stock one that I have that had all those screws you seen in there came from the side of it. So, that's
Okay.
Get this red. It's like $1,000 a door. So each door is $1,000 for the inside panels. So I'm gonna get that. It'll be $4,000 just for all 4 of these doors to be just for the red panel. Cause you can't buy this separately. You can't just buy this piece. This piece you can't buy this. You
I
can.
actually just seen it.
All right. I got it installed. Got it fixed. The little part that was all bubbled up. It's fixed. I also got this. I'm gonna show you guys. Just bought this. Is like $350, like $350, $359. I'm gonna try that out for the new vlogging. I kept the mic. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull this little tab up right here. I'm always worried about people on that turn right there, because every time people, they on the inside to make a turn, and the idiots come on the outside, not knowing they're supposed to stay on the inside, which is weird, but whatever. Let me turn my lights back on. So boom.
Now you want to change this red.
See, remember that was white and all popped up? That shit ain't there no more. It's just there a little bit from the damage that it already did. And I'm like, you know, I was kind of sad. I told him, you know, he damaged that. You know, he said he's sorry for that, whatever. But, you know, I'm not stressing it. But what bothered me a little bit was the 2 bumps that was sticking up right here. You can still see it a little bit, because the foam was like unleveled, and so was this rubber mat that went in there. It wouldn't stick right. So yeah, that's that. This is the, and then look, hold on, I'm driving.